So here's how to review transactions in QuickBooks Online. First of all, open up your browser and search for QuickBooks. After that, click on the first link in the results. Then, you'll be redirected to the official website of QuickBooks. From here, you can click on Buy Now. So once you're in this section, you will be able to log in by clicking on Login on the top right. And if you don't have an account, you can buy a subscription from this page. So after logging in, this is the interface that you will see. From here, go over to the left panel and click on Transactions. So once you're in the Transactions section, you will see two options, Connect Account and Upload Transactions. After that, you can go over to Reconcile. Then, you have Rules. After that, you can go over to Chart of Accounts to see additional transaction information. And lastly, you can check out Recurring Transactions. So that is exactly how to review transactions in QuickBooks Online.